Everything I do it with a passion. Ain't nothing gonna stop me from making it happen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess Justice. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And today, I'm going to talk about my starter locks. So, when I originally started my lock journey for the second time, I had two different starter methods. No, it was the same starting method with the two stone twists. But what I mean is, I had two sets of the same starter method, and I didn't like the first set, so which my mom did because they were too big and I didn't want my locks to be too thick. I wanted them to be smaller, so I took them out and retwisted them myself, but I retwisted them left-handed. So when I got the third set again, my mom had to go back in and retwist it right-handed. So when I start palm rolling, which is in about 3 weeks from now, when I start palm rolling, my locks will be palm rolled to the right instead of the left. I started my locks on my official locks. I started them on May 3rd, 2020. I started with the two strand twist method. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. So far it's been wet with these locks and I like them. Already I am starting to see some progress. Okay, so this lock in the back, you can already see that I can't hold it up to show you guys the ball point, but you can see that it's already doing something with this lock in the back. So usually when I had my locks the first time around, I would have cut that. Like when I had them the first time around, I cut the ends off that were like ball point like that, and I learned that this time around with these locks, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let them do what they do and leave it alone because it's part of the locking process. So I'm already a week into my journey and already seeing some changes. So the products that I will be using, and I will be changing products, and once I change the product, that's it. But the products that's far that I'm going to be using are Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, a rejuvenating multi-purpose oil for hair, bath, nails, and body. This has extra virgin olive oil in it, and this is what it looks like. When I started my locking process the first time around, I used the ORS Lock and Twist gel, which looks like this. I don't like this because it has a even though it's a very light texture, when you put it in your hair, it has a very hard feeling to. Once the stores open back up and everything like that, I'm going to be purchasing Taliah Waajid's Tight Hold. And the reason why I'm purchasing that is because if you guys don't know who Damian Walter is, he is a locking expert on YouTube. He knows a lot about locks and everything like that. He has a lot of clients that have, started the journey with locking their hair, and he uses Taliah Waajid's Tight Hold to palm roll the hair with water and everything like that. And so I feel like that's the best product for me to use. I don't think it will cause any type of buildup or anything like this. The ORS, I will tell you for sure that lock and twist gel, it causes a lot build up, and I'm very unsure of if I want to use this throughout my process. This is just something that I picked up because, you know, the beauty supply stores aren't open right now. So this was the only thing that was available for me to use. So really the only thing you really need to start your locking journey is oil and water. You don't really need a twisting gel. The twisting gel is just used to hold the palm bowl. That's it. But you don't really need to use any products in your hair. Best bet, drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. It's the best thing you could do to be sure that the process with your locks goes smooth. I'm a weekend now, so I will come back when I do my first retwist and kind of let you guys know how the process is going with that, if I see any changes, if I notice any. So I'll probably come back once a month and just kind of show you guys, you know, the different changes and everything like that, because what I learned from my first set of locks to this set of locks is you don't want to retwist every 2 weeks. You want to retwist once a month. So that's what I'm doing with this set of locks. I'm really like starting all over again and relearning everything. And also another thing is you don't want to have a whole bunch of people in your hair when you are starting your locks. If you start your locks with one person, make sure that that's the person that stays in your throughout the remainder of your locking journey. Because having a whole bunch of people in your hair is bad energy, and you don't want that for your locks. So my mother started my second set of locks, and she gonna stay doing my locks, you know, until there's a time where I feel like, okay, you know, maybe she can't do this anymore, or until there's a time where I have to go to somebody else. And if I have to go to somebody else, it would be David, and he's located in Texas, so that is a good thing. He will be the next person that I would go to outside of my mother to retwist my locks, straight up, because he's very professional when it comes to anything pertaining to locking your hair, the products that you use, and everything like that. I hope that you guys will follow me on this journey, and I will see you guys a month from now so that you guys can see the progress that I made with my locks. So I will see you guys in the next video. Okay? Bye, y'all.
I'm a Northeast baby, bitch, I swam too cold. I got 3 different numbers like an area code. I don't shop with these niggas cause they selling they soul.